Let's do the seek part. Give the sign of work done by the field in moving a small positive charge from Q to P. So we need to find work sign, but that done by field. So positive charge, it is on positive charge, move from Q to P. If we can take that as sign, so if we move a positive charge from Q to P, so that is the displacement direction. But what about the force by field? So the force by field is in this direction. Now if I mention that the electric force due to electric and displacement, they both are opposite. So we can see they both are opposite. If we can calculate the work, so we know the work formula, the product of the force time displacement, and if we can write that F ds cos theta, F ds cos theta. So here theta is angle between them. Since they both are opposite, so I can take cos 180 degree. So cos 180 degrees, it gives nothing but F ds, which is negative. So the work done by field, which is negative, so that is minus F ds. So the work done by field is negative. Work done by field from Q to P is less than 0. Other than this method, so you can find some other. If we can notice the potential value at P, so the potential at P and potential at Q. Since potential at P is less than the potential at Q, so the potential at P is greater than, the potential at P is greater than potential at Q. If external work is doing to move a charge from Q to P, in that case that external work should do positive work, because the charge is moving from lower potential to higher potential. If the external work is doing positive work, obviously the field does negative work. So that is also a simple analysis you can understand to identify the work, whether it is positive or negative. Now let's see for the second part. So what is the work done? Sorry, not the second part, it's the D question, another question. What is the sign of work done by external source or external agency? If we can solve the D part, what is the sign of work done by the external agency in moving a small negative charge from B to A? So as usual, if you can take the help of displacement. Now this time external source is doing work, so it means I am applying a force, so I am doing work. Now what is given? That the given that the test charge is a negative charge, negative test charge. So if test charge is negative, now I have to take negative test charge and I will move from B to A. Now if you can notice at here, the electric field lines are not opposing me. So my force direction, the force direction, if I can apply, and my displacement direction, they both are in same direction. So if I am doing as an external agency, I need to apply a force. So and I need to move from B to A. So if my direction and displacement direction both are the same, so what is the work done by me? The work done by me which equal to the force applied by me along the displacement. So they both are in the same direction, so the angle between them goes to F suffix work force applied by me, F ds cos 0 degree. So cos 0 value will gives 1 and this value will becomes positive. So the work done by me, the work done by me here in this case is positive. So if external agency is doing work, that results positive. What about in this case, if the field does work, what could be its sign? Yeah, obviously the field does work opposite to work done by me. So in this case, the work done by field which equal to its negative. I hope you understand the difference. See, the last part in this question, does the kinetic energy of small negative charge increases or decreases in going from B to A? So if a small negative charge is going from B to A, so from B to A negative charge is going. If negative charge is going from B to A, they are asking what about kinetic energy? Kinetic energy increases or kinetic energy decreases. Since the negative charge is moving and we have to look about the what is the source charge. Now the source charge is also negative and the test charge is also negative. Obviously the source charge will be apply a force, repulsive force. That repulsive force causes decreases in velocity. So if velocity decreases due to repulsive force between source charge and test charge, so obviously in that case kinetic energy decreases.